Sydney, did you get into poo today? I think I did. I got into poo. We got into poo and enjoyed ourselves. Why are your pants undone, Brittany? You know this is going on YouTube. Jump! I love my family.
Get up! And nothing gets me down. Send that to Nancy.
Tell her to go to YouTube. It'll be up there in a few minutes.
Send that to Nancy.
Do I call and tell
Get up!
Do I call and tell her from your phone?
No, Brittany, from your phone. From
Get out of my basement.
God, from the house. From the house, Dingleberry.
That's it right now.
God, 18-year-olds. Bye, Sydney. Tell everybody this is the Stupid Queema family. Sydney. Say goodbye. I want to get in the poo. I want to get in the poo, please. Bye-bye.